girlies, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all like, girl, why do you keep uploading and leaving, then uploading and leaving? I promise you, I am done with that. I am here to stay, okay? Prepare to be sick of me. But before we get started with today's video, I want to share with you guys my course. This course is called the Wig Influencer Bootcamp, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. If you are an aspiring wig influencer, or you are already a established wig influencer, but you need, a little bit more secrets and tips and tricks on how to, expand your wig influencer journey, I got you. This course is filled with tools, tips, tricks, gems, wisdom, knowledge that I've learned along the way. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. If y'all don't know, I have been through so much through this journey. I have cried, I have struggled. I didn't know what was going on. It was just a learning process all in and of itself. And I'm just here to make your journey easier. So if you are serious about making this become your reality, making this happen for you, I would definitely advise you to go ahead and purchase this course. If not, don't waste your time, sis. If you know you're not going to do nothing with it, if you know you're not going to make this happen for you, don't waste your time investing in this course. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I enjoyed creating it. I love this course. This is my baby. I love her down. So yeah, again, I will leave her in the description section below, and I hope to see you guys in the course. So in today's video, we are playing with this Outre 5x5 lace closure wig as if it's a virgin hair unit. Okay, I know it has a little bit of human hair blend in there, so yeah, but for the most part, it's synthetic. So she's 24 inches. She is in the color 1B. She do got a little shine to her, I ain't gonna hold you. But yeah, this is the closure. It comes with baby hairs. Those knots are super duper small. It's giving us HD realness. Y'all can see my hair right through that closure. But that tint, that does have a tint to it. I hate that. Why? But anyway, it does have an elastic band along with, a comb at the nape. We're going to plop this bad boy on our head, and this is what she's giving us. Outre did the dang thing when it comes down to this closure. It was so freaking soft. So soft. This is the hair quality. I actually installed this wig, I think a year or two ago. I will link the original video in case you guys want to see it, because I didn't do nothing with that original video but install it as it is. This one, like I said, I'm playing with it as if it's a virgin hair unit. So I'm just going in to detangle the hair, and as y'all see, that brush just glided straight on mother freaking through. That's what I talk about. We're gonna go in and define the part, because obviously we're doing a middle part again. But look at this, y'all. This hairline, they ate down. Off camera, I did that, okay? I plucked the dang thing out of that unit. Now, I ain't gonna hold y'all. It already came nicely plucked, but I did a little bit of plucking off camera. We're going in with our cream foundation, and we're just gonna cover the lace. This lace is so thin, you don't need lace tinting spray. You just need cream foundation. Cream foundation is gonna get you right. So that's a part of the virgin hair process, because this is what I do on my virgin hair units. Y'all see this? I plugged that. I did that. I argue with your mama, not me. That looks good AF. I'm going to go in with these scissors, and we're just going to create jagged edges to remove that lace, because like I always say, the less the lace, the better. But y'all see the lace is dissipating right into that skin. Baby, what lace? We're going to put a little bit of that cream foundation on the outside to see what I still need to cut off. I don't like that part there, so we're going to get rid of that too. So she looking all good. To secure her down, I'm using my Kiss Lace Spray. I'm going to do this all in one setting. Since it's winter time, I usually do one layer at most, because it's cold AF outside. It's like 23 degrees. You don't need to be layering up. Your wig ain't going nowhere. It's too cold for it to go anywhere. If you are a beginner working sections, though, you don't have to lay it down all at once. You can do left to right, right to left. You know the drill. I'm going in to dry this lace spray down, making sure it is tacky before we adhere it. Once it's dry, we just gonna lay it right on down. And when I tell you, what lace? What lace, baby? So I'm gonna pull it down just a little bit so we can give, mimic a frontal. So I'm just gonna pull it down, hold it, and then we're gonna add some more cool air to this closure. Use the back of our comb to make sure the lace is done. It is done. Now this next step I didn't need to do. So basically what I'm doing is going in and blending the line of demarcation. But baby, what line of demarcation? Can we find it? Because when I tell you Outre did not play with that lace, it's giving virgin hair HD realness. Look at it. It's gone. It is gone. Don't play with them. Okay? They are not to be played with. So, of course, we got to melt it. I'm just going to go ahead and put this band on. And we're going to let that just sit for a few minutes. While we're doing this, I'm going into blow dry this hair. Now, I know y'all probably say, what are you doing? You would not do that with a virgin hair unit. You are right. Because honestly, with the virgin hair unit, the curls would have came out after I brushed it a few times. I brushed this unit like a good 10 minutes, for a good 10 minutes. And those curls was not budging. So I had to go in with my Revlon blow dryer to loosen up them curls. That is one thing I love about synthetic hair companies. When you curl these units, it's going to be a minute before they drop. I don't care what nobody said. Synthetic hair can hold a curl like no freaking other. So I'm trying to get this look. I'm going to put a picture up here of the look that I'm trying to go for. And I cannot do that and get that vibe if the curls won't come out the unit. But look at this lace. She ate down. Yes, sis. Yes. All right. But we're going in to just touch up the frontal section. I like to do a little bit of the Kendra's volume spray, and we're just going to hot comb. Y'all know how I love to do my little bumpy bumps up there, so that's what we're going to do up the front. This is what we're working with. We're going to go in and define the part using some cream foundation. We need that part to look like scalp. You don't want it looking like cloth and lace. Okay, that's not the vibe. So now we're going in with this Hot Tools curling iron, and we're going to curl the hair away from our face. Now, I think I messed up because I keep using a smaller barrel. For this type of curls that I was going for, I think the barrel was too small because it literally created the same curls as if it did in my last two videos when I used my Airflow curling iron by, I cannot think of the name. Why do I do that? But anyway, if you go look at my last two synthetic wig videos that I upload, the curls are looking the same. So I feel like I should have used a bigger barrel, but also I feel like with synthetic hair, it be just producing one type of curl. I don't know why. I need to try crimping next. I think I'm going to try crimping the hair next, and wand curling, because I'm just keep getting the same type of curls that I've already showed you guys plenty of time, no matter what tools I done used, okay? But these are some pretty spiral curls, all right? I should have just left it like this and called it a freaking day. But no, I had to be extra and comb them out. And when I combed them out, I said, I already did this style like 20 times, but that is neither here or there. So if you're looking to do some spiral curls with this unit, just know you can do it, all right? Because look at it. I was playing with this because y'all see me. I was pinning everything up. I was spraying it, putting my volume spray on it. This hair was doing the dang thing. And when, like I told you before, the curls on this thing, if you're looking to curl any type of synthetic unit, baby, this wig and the Jada, was that sensational? Jada? I don't know. But Jada wig, baby, they can hold some curls. I don't know about the other ones because I ain't tried them yet. But anyway, I'm just going in to cut some layers in the hair. And again, I was trying to form the curls into this type of body wave that I was going for. So it took me a minute to get the curls to how I liked it. I actually had to go in again with my blow dryer to, loosen them up because they were too tight. It was too tight for my liking. So yeah, overall, I enjoyed working with this unit. Outre did the dang thing, and they know they did the dang thing on this unit. You can argue with your mama, but I'm gonna tell you this right now. You cannot tell me, other than the shine that's on the unit, that this is not a virgin hair unit. That's all I'm gonna say. That is all I'm gonna say. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you thought of this unit. Also, don't forget to check out my course, which is now linked in my description section below, along with this direct link to this wig. So yeah, until my next video, I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye guys.